Is self-neglect a sign of elder abuse? Imagine seeing an elderly neighbor living in a messy, unsafe home with unwashed clothes and empty food containers. You might wonder if something is wrong. Sometimes, what looks like neglect is actually self-neglect. But is it a sign of elder abuse? Let's find out. Self-neglect happens when an older adult fails to care for their own basic needs. This can include not eating enough, skipping medications, or living in dirty, unsafe conditions. It often occurs because of health issues, mental decline, or physical impairments that make self-care difficult. For example, someone with memory problems might forget to take their medicine or pay bills, leading to unsafe living conditions. In elder law, self-neglect is considered a serious concern. Even though the elder might not be intentionally harming themselves, neglecting their needs can cause serious health problems or even death. It is the most common form of elder abuse reported to protective services. Signs include poor hygiene, weight loss, dehydration, hoarding, or living in filth. If someone is unable to manage their finances, they might be vulnerable to scams or exploitation. Addressing self-neglect is important because it can be a warning sign that the elder needs help. Sometimes, family members or caregivers notice these signs and report them. Authorities like Adult Protective Services can step in to assess the situation. They might arrange for medical care, home modifications, or even guardianship if the elder cannot care for themselves safely. It's important to remember that self-neglect does not always mean abuse by others. But because it puts the elder's health and safety at risk, it is treated as a form of elder abuse. Protecting seniors' rights involves intervening when self-neglect is identified to ensure they get the support they need. Reporting concerns helps elders stay safe and healthy, and it can prevent serious harm. So, yes, self-neglect is a sign of elder abuse because it shows a failure to meet basic needs that can threaten an elder's well-being. Recognizing these signs and acting quickly can make a big difference in protecting seniors and helping them live safely and comfortably.